Good morning, students. So today we read a book, Math, Chapter 4, Practical Geometry. So what is practical geometry? So in practical geometry we do construction. So in your previous class you know how to construct a triangle. So to draw a triangle, minimum 3 instruction needed. Means 3 measurements, whether 3 measuring distance of 3 sides, length of 3 sides, or otherwise the 2 angles one side or 2 sides one angle. Okay, if such informations are given to you, then you can easily construct triangle. And that way, in this 8th class we read the constructing of quadrilateral 4 sides. Okay, so what is quadrilateral? A polynomial with a closed figure with 4 sides. A closed figure with 4 sides is called quadrilateral. So here, to construct a quadrilateral, 5 terms and conditions are there. If these terms and conditions given, then we can easily construct a quadrilateral. The first is, if one quadrilateral means it is any type of quadrilateral. So suppose A, B, C, D in a quadrilateral, if 4 sides, length of 4 sides and a diagonal given. Suppose this 4 sides length given with one diagonal. Suppose only one diagonal length is given, then we can draw a quadrilateral. So 5 informations needed. Minimum 5 information needed to draw a or to construct a quadrilateral. Then 2 diagonals, 3 sides. Suppose 2 diagonals given and any 3 sides given, then we can easily draw a quadrilateral. 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. Suppose diagonals not given, 2 adjacent sides, this side, or any 3 angles suppose given, then we can draw a quadrilateral. Suppose 3 sides, 2 include angles. Suppose 3 sides given, 1, 2, any 3 sides and 2 include angles given, then also a possible to construct a quadrilateral. Then special property are known. Special property, you know what are special property of rhombus, square, rectangle, trapezium, parallelogram. So if you remind the properties, then also you can easily draw the quadrilaterals. Suppose given draw a rectangle whose 2 sides given. Suppose draw a rectangle whose this is 5 cm, this is 7 cm. So only you will say that only 2 informations given here. But we know that this is 2 adjacent sides. We know that a rectangle has all 90 degree. So we got 5 information. Suppose draw a square whose side is 5 cm. You say 1 information. No, here also 5 information we have. All sides are equal. So this is 5, this is 5, this is 5. Okay, all each angle is 90 degree. Here suppose this 7 cm, this is also 7 cm in rectangle. This 5 cm and this 5 cm. Okay, so like this we have to remind rhombus property, parallelogram properties, then we can easily draw the construct any quadrilateral. Okay, so minimum 5 informations required to construct a quadrilateral. So for construction, what we need? We need minimum a compass. Okay, a compass where things you know that a set square, 2 set squares, 1 protractor, 1 rounder, 1 divider, but 1 scale. But to construct only you need a rounder and a scale. That is sufficient. Okay, no protractor, no set square is needed here. So by using compass, you know this only a rounder and a scale. By using these two, we can construct any figure. So first of all, here is when 4 sides and a diagonal length is given. So to construct, what you do first? First you write what is given to you. Okay, so you will get step marks in constructing. Okay, so first you write that what is given. Suppose four sides a diagonal given. Your question is construct a quadrilateral P Q R S, given it is R S P Q equal to 4 cm, Q R equal to 6 cm, suppose R S equal to 5 cm, then P S equal to 5.5 cm, then PR equal to 7 cm. So 5 information PQ, QR, RS, PS, PR. This much given. So first you write given, first point. Then one rough diagram is very necessary, very important. To draw a rough diagram which will help us to construct a quadrilateral or triangle or whatever construction means, you must draw a rough diagram, right side of the your notebook. So we draw a rough diagram first. Okay, suppose it is a quadrilateral. We'll name that P Q R S. Okay, P Q R S. So write down the measurement. Rough diagram means just you simply a small diagram, rough diagram with pencil and scale you draw. Imaginary, that is, suppose you are given PQ equal to 4 cm, you write here PQ equal to 4 cm, QR equal to 6 cm, QR equal to 6 cm, write down. Then RS equal to 5 cm, write down. Then PS equal to 5.5 cm, PR equal to 7 cm. So how you will draw this quadrilateral? So first construction, how you draw? First step, what you do? First you draw the diagonal. What is PR? So when you draw a straight line also, you should not use directly scale to draw. Okay, so you just take a rectangle, diagonal. You just take a line, then you with a rounder. Okay, by you just putting the point 0, you take the distance of 7 cm, the length of 7 cm. Then you just put a here 7 cm. Then again this side 7 cm. It is 7 cm. You put the name PR. Okay, PR 7 cm. Then with rounder, take length of 4 cm. 4 cm you measure in scale 4 cm. Okay, 4 cm. Like this you take 4 cm. Then you just put a here one line. Okay, take a 4 cm construct. Okay, draw a line. Then with QR is 6 cm. Like this again you take QR 6 cm. Draw here 6 1. You get a point, that is Q. Then join Q to P. Then Q to R. Understand? Okay. Then again this side. PS 5.5 cm. Again you take from scale 5.5 cm. You draw one line. Then again R to S 5 cm. Draw again another from R to S 5 cm. Then you join. This one is S. What you get? Point. That is S. Okay. Join PS then RS. This is what you got the construction PQRS. So a quadrilateral with 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Then you will draw in this procedure. First step, you draw the first diagonal. Then you first draw the triangle PQR. We draw first PQR. This is 4 cm. This is 6 cm. Then it is 5.5 cm. It is 5 cm. So to construct it, first you write what is given. Second step you draw a rough diagram. Third step you construct the given quadrilateral. Now second condition, when two diagonals and three sides are given. Two diagonals and three sides. Draw a question is draw in quadrilateral ABCD. You draw suppose ABCD and you drawing A B C D. Whose rough diagram you draw? First is given BC 4.5 cm. BC 4.5 cm. Then AD 5.5 cm. Then CD 5 cm. Then two diagonals. First AC means this one. How much? 5.5 cm. Then BD this much. This one, that is 7 cm. So how you will draw? So first we just which one you take? These three information given. Suppose ADC. Okay, ADC means here base. Suppose you take AC as a base, then AD three sides given, SSS side. So first you take AC. Like this, we draw a line. Take 5.5 cm. It is 5.5 cm. Name it AC. Okay. Suddenly you first give the name. Otherwise it may be confused. The first AC 5.5 cm. Then take AD how much? 5.5. Put here rounder and draw an arc of 5.5 cm. 5.5 cm. Okay. Again CD. Draw an arc of 5 cm. Another here 5 cm. Join this. Okay. Here you get D. So first you take AC diagonal as a base. Then here from A you draw 5.5 arc. From C again you another arc of 5 cm. Okay. Then what another thing given? CB this side. CB 4.5 cm. Draw 4.5 cm arc. Okay. Again DB. If you rounder at D, then draw 7 cm here. Okay. From D rounder pencil will be take 7 cm. Draw an arc 7 cm. Again you get here point B. So BA BC. Okay. You got this is 7 cm. You got ABCD quadrilateral. Okay. So according to information, you have to draw first a rough diagram and what measurement given, length of the sides or angle or length of diagonal you want to mention that, and which will help you to construct a quadrilateral. Okay. So you try to solve exercise 4.1 and 4.2. I hope you can understand and it will be easy for you to draw construct a quadrilateral. Thank you.